So I was just walking by here. I walk by, so I often come by this area, and I just saw that this Russian grocer or something just opened. It's some sort of big grand opening here. So let's get inside and see what there is. Yeah. So this place must have just opened recently, if not today. So I mean, right off, I see these chocolates. They kind of look like Lindor chocolates. It's all Russian stuff. Ugh. Russian bar. So it is. They have alcohol in these chocolates. So I'm in the chocolate section by the look of it. Here's your classic Stalin Lenin cover. Wow. Here they appear to have some milk, Russian milk, yogurt maybe. Nunai, that's milk. I don't know what these are. I think they're maybe vitamins for children. Over here we have some different cheese spreads. Here are some cereals. There's some oatmeal. Yeah. I guess Russia's really making their footprint here. Looks like they have honey. This is all Russian honey. Hey, 你好。哦，我可以用我的手机吗？这个我不用，但是这个可以吗？Okay. So Buddy here behind me just said that I cannot film in the store. So I think that's very strange, but oh well. Okay. So I don't know if you can hear me anymore, but he said I couldn't film, so I stopped using my camera, and now I'm just using my phone. Apparently that's okay. I have no idea. So hopefully you can still hear me. It is pretty loud in here. There's some like granola bars. Some chips. Look like Sun Chips maybe. Alcohol. So I know this is a bunch of chocolate. This stuff has been around here ever since I moved here. I've been seeing this kind of candy. God, they have some produce.
辣的也有，那你吃辣的嘛？辣的有。
So I guess this explains a lot of music. That's why they don't want you to film in here. There's some cookies. More cookies. Yeah, so that's pretty crazy. This place just opened, so... Oh, they even have some bread. Some boxed bread. Well, I think I should call it at that before I get kicked out of here. So if you like this content, you want to see more of it, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.